Hey everybody, Marshall Nicholson here with infocreates.com and welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. If you like videos like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're going to go into Premiere Pro and add a text block / title within your timeline. So let's go ahead and hop into it. It's really easy to do, and I'm excited to show you all how to do it and the way that I do it. So first off, you'll see a T right here in your tools panel, and that's basically a type tool. And what you can do is just click there and then click within your program screen right here, this is labeled My Master Timeline. So you could just click within there and then start typing away. So I'm actually gonna kill two birds with one stone. I'm working on a project right now while I decided to shoot this video for you all real quick. And so I'm just gonna include my buddy's name. It's my friend Sean Hale, super talented skateboarder, and good buddy of mine. And anyway, so I just typed in his name right here. And if you look over here on this section of the screen, this is sort of I call it a effects controls. That's what it's called, but it's just like your assets for this text block right here, this title. So then what you can do, just hover over the position, and then you can just move it accordingly, like that, left, right, up and down. And for this, I'm just going to place this right here. This may not be the final placement for the project, but it might be. Let's see. I'm pretty happy with that though. And then notice here, there's a little eyeball. You could turn it on or off. And then there's a drop down right here. And then this is where you could change your text, the size of your, let's see, if I scroll to the right, it's going to get pretty big. It should, let's see. Oh, you gotta go and highlight it all, and then see it gets super big. But I've been doing my titles at about 25. So, and you can then scroll down some more. See, that's your text, different style of text all there. And then you can either make it bold, not bold. I'm going with bold for this though. And then, click out of here, click back on it. And for this one, this might need a slight shadow. I haven't really been doing that with other ones, but see how it's just adding the shadow real time basically. So pretty happy with how that looks. And then what I usually do, what you can do is add a little, I just right clicked on here at the tail end of this, and then apply default transitions. And that's basically just as a little cross dissolve. So anyways, guys, that's basically how you add a text layer or a title block within Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you guys check out the rest of our content we're putting out, and make sure to check out infocreates.com. Have a blessed day. Thanks.